So here's how to fix public Wi-Fi login page is not showing up on your mobile device. So first you got to make sure that you're connected to the network that you're trying to bring up the login page for. So for example, this home Wi-Fi. And then you want to open your browser and type the following IP, which is 192.168.1.1, sometimes .2 at the end. So you can try both of these IPs to see if it works. And that should bring up the login page. Now, if this doesn't work for you, you can also try 1.1.1.1 and press the search to bring you to the login page. Sometimes you can also use routerlogin.net and search for it, and it should redirect you to the login page. And sometimes you might even find it in 127.1.1.1, and if you search it should bring the login page in some cases. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can do is go to the settings and then go to apps and search for Chrome app in here. Now you want to click on force stop and click OK, and then click on clear data and click clear cache and confirm clear cache. Now you can simply close this and relaunch your Chrome browser again or your phone browser, and then try to reconnect back to the Wi-Fi network and try to navigate to the login page again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.